Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can change your profile picture on Roblox. So there is no method to change your profile picture on the desktop or web version. You can only change your profile picture via mobile app. You can download it from Play Store or App Store. So let's get started. On the bottom you will see 5 buttons. You need to click the middle one in which your avatar is showing. After clicking it, on the bottom you will see edit profile picture. You need to click on it, and after clicking you can select an emote and then click next, and then you can zoom in, zoom out your profile picture and read your as well. After you are done, click on next and click save, and when I refresh it, you will see in the bottom as well my profile picture has been changed. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends and like the video, and I will see you in the next one.